Yeah, we're going to James Corden a little later.
Young.
Brown paper bag type.
Young rich type.
Couple karaoke, what's up?
Bag.
Sucking your low and she calling me dad.
I don't know the word.
Hey. James Corden.
Mama.
On the way, yeah. Warner Brothers.
It's breaking down.
Every day, yeah. Studio A, yeah.
Whoop.
I'm gonna lay, yeah. I'm in the lay.
Yeah,
Yo, we're here. Warner Brothers Studios.
WB, baby.
Look at WB. Look at this. I'm about to get on our cart. Who we about to see, Ellen?
Yeah, I'm really excited to see The Dark Knight.
Yo. Spider-Man Homecoming out here. Ooh, Spider-Man was out here.
Where they shot Batman Returns, Batman.
Yeah, this is where Chandler ran. Chandler ran in that scene, you know what I'm talking about?
Yeah,
went after the girl. Yeah, he ran through the streets here.
Let's get it.
Spider-Man with Tobey Maguire.
Ooh. Spider-Man
This is
kiss.
actually when they did the famous upside down
Oh,
kiss.
Spider-Man kiss in there.
If you guys do remember that scene. And also right here on my left hand
Big
side,
Bang Theory.
This is where Penny had her very first commercial. It was a medical cream commercial that she was so excited about.
Oh yeah.
And over and over
Jurassic
again,
Park
to make it look like
type.
the road was longer than what it really was.
Oh,
Remake for that, okay?
LeBron's office, the
This is
Space
so
Jam.
cool.
Are you kidding me?
Brand
He
new
works
show,
in there?
barely 1 second. On my left side,
George Lopez neighborhood.
187. This was Hannah's house from the show called Pretty Little Liars.
Yo, Friends Fountain. You know that from the opening scene? How many claps? How many claps? Oh yeah, that's right, 4. Yo, this is also Central Park where they run. PB ran. You know that type? Looking like Phoebe. Phoebe had a... That's so cute. Looking like Phoebe out here running. Like that. I'm like Jennifer Aniston type. Wait. Alright, we're here at the archives part. And look, they have all the costumes out here. Aquaman. Yo, Wonder Woman. Touch that sword. Jeez. That's sweet. Yo, this is it. That's the costume, Wonder Woman. Yo, we on the Harry Potter. The glasses. The wand. Here's the school costumes. We got Ron. Harry. Hermione.
When Joey had his first movie premiere.
Oh.
He takes Chandler along with him. And Chandler
Joey's
goes,
movie
"Sleep."
premiere?
This was also used
Captain
for the
Marvel?
original Blade Runner, okay? Made to look like a futuristic 2019 Los Angeles. Stick to the same paint.
24.
The reason for that is because this
Friend
is the
stage,
cheapest
baby.
paint color here at
Yo, we got the friend stage here, baby. Look at this.
Right hand side is
24, baby.
to be at.
There it is.
Charlie Sheen, and the rest with Ashton Kutcher. Now you will see
2.5 Men.
the plaque here, the big one that shows you what
Yeah.
else has filmed here besides 2.5 Men.
Here about to go. We're walking. Just walking the lots. We just saw the friend stage. I was like, yeah, I'm walking the streets like Jenny and Walt. Yep. Yeah, we're in the back. Look at all these mobiles. That Batman. The Batmobile. Ooh. That's damn. Look at that. The Justice League. Batmobile. Tumblr. The Dark Knight. We got Phoebe's Taxi. Alright, we're on the walking part of the tour.
I love this
Look at this.
iconic.
Stars Born. Hey, but I'm ready to see Friends. I'm ready to see
It's
Friends.
through there.
It's right through there. Wow.
Crazy Vacations.
Oh, Crazy Occasions? Hey, that's my type. Look at that. Alright, we're about to see the Friends stuff. Oh, snap. Yeah, we're actually here. Look at this. Here's the scripts, the original one, 6 of 1, and then the last one.
What are you talking about? We're all together right now. Mom?
Yo, Z, what's this like? What's this like?
It's a little out of body experience again.
Wow. Look at that. Background right now. Yo, this is crazy. Like, I've been wanting to do this forever. Seeing my favorite show, Central Park, this is iconic. Yeah, we're just walking through the set. Look at this. Come on. Phoebe's guitar. Gunther's probably back there. Look at that. Look at this. Come on. Got a potato out here. Yo, Big Bang set. This is Penny's. The staircase. Got the costumes. Sheldon's.
Your words of persuasion.
Here's the set. There's the seat. There's Sheldon's seat. Got the Roku. They also have the cafeteria scene at their office. The belt buckle. TikToks? Look at Zabi going off. Got Phoebe's guitar from Friends. Hey, sing some Smelly Cat.
Smelly cat, smelly cat.
What are they feeding you? They also have the Joker over here. 2019 type. We finished our whole tour. We're at Central Park as our last stop. Look at this. What'd you get?
The Phoebe.
The Phoebe. Look at that.
I've been
Brandon.
running like her in Central Park.
Oh,
so
true.
I had to get
This is crazy. And they literally got the real set right over there.
The set was wild.
Dude, I can't,
All right, we're
I
outta
can't
here.
be outside anymore. I need to
This
go
guy's
inside.
cold. We gotta get out of here. Vera, how was it?
It was fantastic. It was a great tour. Great
Worth it?
recommendation by Nick. Yeah, it was
I mean,
definitely
come
worth
on.
it.
Great.
Is it,
Great
is it-
tour.
is it-
Got ABC Studios. Oh, there we go. Walt Disney Studios, baby. Oh, blackish, mixish. You saw that? I saw that. Wow. So many hidden Mickeys here. Team Disney.
my bones, I'll tell you that much.
I'm be working there.
Nick's working right now.
Team Disney, baby. Let's go.
Yeah, Nico, okay?
A little tight in the shorts right now.
No, Nico, that's not cool.
Hey, yo, you cold box?
I'm fine. Nico,
How's the heat?
How the nips? How the nips?
How's the heat treating you?
cut diamond tight.
Yeah, he just dropped us off here.
Be advised.
Drop us off here.
Yeah, right here. Unless we're going in.
Oh, so we can go.
We made it to Walt Disney Studios. Yeah, I'm gonna be working here one day. Look at this. You're not feeling it? Pretty
cool.
If you don't have dreams, you don't have a life.
Let's walk around. Yo, we made our way around to the Walt Disney Animation. Look at that. Oh my gosh. You know how much history has happened there? How much animation has happened there?
A lot.
Look at this. This is just Mouse Central. That's Walt Disney and ABC.
Hey, show the street sign. Show the street sign.
Look at that. With the mouse. ABC, Disney. Come on. Come on. Look at that. There's the water tower. Look at these sound stages. Animation over there. This is great. Hey, I'm having a great time. I'm having a great time, baby. Stage 5 right here. A lot of history there. Mary Poppins type?
Hey, Bob.
Wow. We took our tours. Now we're in the Grove. Famous. Hey, we shopping today?
Hey, I might pick up a
I mean, you're looking like $1 million already.
Yeah, I think.
Our Uber driver said he looks like Nino Kino.
Hey, I'm the president. But Alex and B-Raw are getting something
Going
from
in
Zara.
Zara?
We just went in there. I got this from Zara actually. So, you
Whoa.
know, it's a style already I had. So
I think I'm trying to hit up
some
Nike.
celebs. Yeah.
And then we're right next door to CBS Studios. We're seeing James Corden in about 2 hours.
Hey, I mean, I look good for James.
Hey, we're trying to be in the
I'm
front
trying
on
to be front row
TV.
TV.
They said look good.
I look good.
There it is. Look at Mr. Hollywood out here. Hey, what you got?
Little Zara, bro, look at this. Recycle bottles. If that ain't California, I don't know what it is. Hey, bro, can you please just...
B-Raw, don't do it to him like that. Don't do it to him like that. Come on. He's gonna be on TV.
Peak LA right now.
Hey,
You look like
I don't think we're celebrities out here.
Yeah, we are celebrities out here.
Hey, we're at the Grove. We took a delayed W. We ate at Nordstrom Cafe when we have this whole farmers market that we didn't even know about until after we ate. Like, they have so many options here.
I'm very disappointed. I'm very disappointed.
A little bit. But we're on the hunt for some boba. I think we'll find some.
Hopefully.
Alright, that wasn't a complete L because we got some donuts from the famous Bob's Donuts. We got some beignets. Oh, he's gonna get on this fit. Beer, how is it? Very good? Alright, we're here at James Corden, about to go in CBS Studios in there. Are you ready to be on TV?
It's great. This is so cool.
Look at these fits we got on.
It's so cool.
Come on. They told us to dress up for this. We had the line up here. We got priority tickets, of course. It's Color Against the Best. But I don't think I can bring my camera in there, but I'll try to vlog as much as I can for sure.
You being here makes this really difficult for me. Shush!
Hey, we're leaving. CBS. We're back. James Corden. Now. Hey, we were on TV.
Hey,
we was on
hey,
TV.
we were
For
on
sure.
TV.
Hey,
It
check
was
that out.
sick.
Hey, check that out.
Tonight.
Late
So
show. Carpool karaoke.
Absolutely.
Yep. A great last day. You know, we went to Warner Brothers.
exactly right.
Saw that tour today.
WB.
Hey, that was great.
Absolutely.
And then we saw James Corden for free here at CBS Studios. Look at that. They do carpool karaoke.
Boy, did we ever.
And, you know, James interacted with us. We said what's up to now. He
Cool
gives us a
guy.
peace sign.
Cool guy. Knows,
Cool
how to,
guy.
knows how to entertain a crowd.
Hey, it was a funny time. Okay, so we're at the airport now, getting ready to leave, unfortunately. Hey, it's coming to an end.
It's a wrap. LA, it's been so real. I think we saw a lot of you. And, you know, I'm excited to come back. You know, next time it's going to be for a little longer, hopefully. But, LA, you've been good.
Your entrance back into the co-world. Long-awaited vlog.
It was awesome. Collabing with Mr. Colbert himself. It was an honor to do it with him again. Can't wait to do it again. It was a takeover.
It was an LA takeover.
Z Dilly, Boggs, and B-Raw.
Wow.
Takeover in LA.
Hey, that's a fire squad right there. Lives up to the hype.
Co-world is your world.
We're gonna sign off as always. Co-world is your world.
LA. Too full.
Hey yo, Corona ain't finding us. Too full.